What's good, everybody? This is going to be something a little bit different. This is my mentor, Robert Neag. He's an artist from Norway. um, I met him through Ross Draw's Discord channel. Started hanging out in his servers a lot more due to the quarantine. And he shared me this video of his daily practices that we like click on about coming up with routines to help us improve in art. And this is something that he does on a daily basis. He's been teaching me more about perspective and actually learning how to draw things in perspective. And I gotta say, within a month, oh my god, I improved so much, and it's kind of crazy. So I just want to show you guys some stuff that he normally does on the daily basis. As a warm-up, he starts off with his perspective boxes and then eventually goes off and starts working on textures, and he will start doing some active doodling, not really having anything planned. He's just drawing things. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will have links to his art station and his other social media down in the descriptions below. It's a little bit sped up, but the entire footage was an hour and a half. So he does an hour and a half of just traditionally drawing, and then he moves on to the next thing. Gotta admire this man for his craft. He knows what he's doing, and I firmly believe if you guys are trying to get better in something, try to align yourself with people who practice what they preach and actually have work to show for it. I think surrounding yourself with better artists is something that really helps you improve, because you can get a more I guess, guidance and inspiration and boosting morale, especially after seeing the type of work that he can produce. As you can see, he practices everything: lines, squares, perspective boxes, ellipses, and stuff like that. For the remainder of this video, I'm just going to let the video play, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I like to do more videos like this where other artists send me what they like to do on their daily practices and their daily routines, just to have a bigger idea of what you could also do to help improve your artwork. As you can tell, like, a lot of his drawings are not the neatest, is not the cleanest, but the readability is there, the shape is there, and it's all about really conveying shapes and making sure things are easily readable, no matter like how messy they are. Like this video if you like it, and leave comments down below and tell me what you guys like to do as a daily routine, or even send me your own. My Instagram is in the description, as in the video. And you guys have a goodie.